lasers. So maybe you work in physics or astronomy or another science discipline where you deal with laser or laser-like light beams. And maybe you're wondering how to visualize them, how to illustrate them with Illustrator. So here on the top, you see a cartoon of a laser beam that you often see on warning signs. And here on the bottom, you see a slightly more realistic depiction of a laser. So how to draw this more realistic laser beam, I will show you now. So you start with a simple line. You copy the line. And now I turn this line into an object. I go on Object, Expand. And now I want the same object around it, just a wider version of this object. So I go on Path, offset path 70 pixels. So now I want the outer object with full transparency. So I go here on Transparency, set the opacity on 0. And now I want to blend these two objects into each other. So I go here on the Blend tool, I click here, and I go here on Object, Blend, Blend Options, Specified Steps to around 50. Now I take this line, make sure it's in the front, give it a white color, and move it over the laser. Maybe give it a wider thickness. Now what we want is this fading effect. First of all, I group all these elements, and I go again on the transparency, and then I click here or double click to create and edit opacity mask. Now I will draw a rectangle on top and give this rectangle a gradient. And I will go here on the fill and linear gradient. And you make sure that the gradient goes from black to white. And now when I click here to end the editing of this transparency mask, you can see I have created this laser that is kind of shooting out from the distance. Go to visualizescience.com if you want to learn more about drawing